I'm Tom Watson. I serve as senior pastor at Watson Memorial Teaching Ministries at 4400 St. Charles Avenue in New Orleans, Louisiana. I have a personal invitation for you. It's the 20th annual citywide summit on the plight of the African American male. It's going to be held on Friday, October 17th at 7 p.m. It will feature the well-known Honorable Mark Morial, the Chief Executive Officer of the National Urban League. Yes, our former mayor, Mayor Morial, will have a great message to the men and all who attend this great summit. I want to invite you, your friends, and we'd like you to get the message out that on Friday, October 17th at 7 p.m. at 4400 St. Charles Avenue, it's the citywide summit on the plight of the African American male. And then on that Saturday, we have a special feature called Helping Mothers Heal Conference. Yes, these are mothers who have been wounded because their sons have been murdered on the streets of our city. They have lost their sons to gun violence, and in some cases, they've lost their daughters to gun violence. We want to invite you to that very, very important conference. That will be Saturday, October 18th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I want you to call area code 504-899-4400 for more information. Yes, it's area code 504-899-4400 for more information. It's the citywide summit on the plight of the African American male, Friday, October 17th, and then the Helping Mothers Heal Conference on Saturday, October 18th. I hope to see you there. God bless you.